Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix haptic keyboard not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to fix this issue? A haptic keyboard is not working on iPhone, so you have first of all you have fix this issue. So you have restart your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then your mobile is restart. Then your problem will be fixed. If there are first solution is not working on your iPhone, second solution you have reset all setting. So then you have open the setting, scroll up, then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset. So then you have click on reset our setting, iPhone given a passcode, and then you have enter a iPhone passcode, and then 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then your mobile iPhone is only reset all setting. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all setting, and then your problem will be fixed. If there are second solution is not working, there third solution you have update iOS latest version. So then you have again open the setting, click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version on your iPhone is available, so you have must be update iOS latest version. Then fourth solution you have turn on vibration features. So then you have again open the setting, scroll up, then you have click on accessibility. So then you have click on touch, scroll up, then you have vibration. I have already turned on, then you have must be turned off, then facing this issue. Then last solution you have use Apple keyboard. So then you have again open the setting, scroll up, then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on keyboard. So then you have click on keyboard. So then you have add a new keyboard from here, any language on your iPhone, then you have use the Apple keyboard on your iPhone. Then fix your problem and 100% working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.